You are welcome to my channel, and in today's video, we'll talk about the signs of kidney failure. Kidney failure is a condition in which the kidneys stop working and are not able to remove waste and extra water from the blood or keep body chemicals in balance. Here are some of the signs of kidney failure. Point 1. You become tired always. Kidneys filter waste from your blood and ship it out in your pee. When your kidneys don't work right, toxins can build up. One common tip-off is fatigue. You may feel spent, weak, or have trouble concentrating. Kidneys make a hormone that tells your body to create red blood cells. If you have fewer of them, your blood can't deliver as much oxygen to your muscles and brain as they need. Number 2. Itchy skin. This may happen if your kidneys can't flush out toxins and they build up in your blood. That can cause a rash or make you itch all over. Over time, your kidneys may not be able to balance the minerals and nutrients in your body. This can lead to mineral and bone disease, which can make your skin dry and itchy. Number 3. Swollen face and feet. When your kidneys can't get rid of sodium well, fluids build up in your body. That may lead to puffy hands, feet, ankles, legs, or a puffy face. You might notice swelling especially in your feet and ankles. And protein leaking out in your urine can show up as puffiness around your eyes. Number 4. Breathlessness. When you have kidney disease, your organs don't make enough of a hormone called erythropoietin. The hormones signal your body to make red blood cells. Without it, you can get anemia and feel short of breath. Another cause is fluid buildup. You might have a hard time catching your breath. In serious cases, lying down may make you feel like you're drowning. Number 5. Blood in your urine. This can be caused by lots of different things, but kidney disease is one of them. When your kidneys are working properly, they keep the blood cells in your body when they are filtering waste out of your blood. If the kidneys filters are damaged, though, some blood cells can leak into your wee. If you see blood in your urine, you should always see your doctor urgently so they can rule out infections, plus more serious things such as cancer of the bladder and kidneys. These are some of the signs of kidney failure. Please subscribe and like the video for more contents. See you in the next video.